Hi guys, because the guys in here, Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. And since my last BTS reaction, I've been getting crazy comments asking me to do some more reactions, and so I'm going to look at the on Kinetic Manifesto Prima Cam. Yeah, I'm going to look at that today. So let's see how it goes. All right, hope you guys, if you like the video, thumbs up, comments down below. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right. In the dessert. What's this? All right. Let's go. He came in like a superstar. Sorry. Yo, wow. Hold up, hold up. All right, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. He came in so smooth. And the no, I've been sleeping on them. Oh, sorry, hold on, wait, this is not English. Wait, are there captions on this? Okay, I'm sorry. Let me start over. I was like, wait, I was just so caught up. Let's go again. I'm so silly. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yo, these guys got some swag though. I'm not lying. You know, sometimes like when you see that like Asians, Koreans, even Japanese dancing, sometimes a lot of it is not as fluid with the beat. You know, but they ain't bad. Alright, so for me, the formations, the choreography, the position is great. The levels in their dancing, and the fact that they're juxtaposing the white against the black, and then against the almost white color grading in the background, it's just like you know where to focus. Like this is nice. I like it. Who the colorator this is dope as well. Right now I can't even focus on the lyrics. I'm just caught up in the whole thing. It's a whole festival of stuff going on. A bag of things, my dad. All right. Alright, let's go. Okay, what's going on? Okay. Oh, change it up. Hey, 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 ooh, ah, get it, ah, damn. Yeah, ooh. Damn. Ooh, formation's dope. Oh, okay, sir. What's going on there? What's all this sets up here? What are you doing? Like, homeboy trying to get it in with whoever is watching. I see the issue that people may have with BTS. They were going too bad here, so. Listen, like, the switch up of the beat, though. The production on this, the switch up on the beat and the breaking down dancing, I tell you, people. Yeah, all right. I see where the hype is. I see the hype. The lyrics, I'm not even talking about the lyrics. There was a lyric that said, even if my knee is in the ground, as long as it's not buried, it doesn't matter. Win no matter what. Like they are, fam. These people out here doing the bits, bro. Yo, that was nice. That was nice. That was nice. BTS on Kinetic Manifesto film, Prima. That was very nice to watch. I thoroughly enjoyed that. I enjoyed that. That was dope. That had a vibe. I was like all a bit. The dancing was on point. They were hitting. They were hitting hard. Okay, they were hitting hard. Yeah, I think I'm going to look at some other BTS things. This video is about a year old, 370 million views. Oh, these boys clearly have an influence, and based on some of the comments I've been seeing, like it's been back and forth in the comment section, fam. Like, yeah. So if you like these type of reactions or anything you want me to react to, let me know in the comments down below. I think I'm going to look at Black Swan next, maybe. I might just put a bunch of reaction videos like one day, and then the rest will also be back to my regular content on a Friday on my channel. Additionally, please make sure you check out my Patreon account. I'll also put some reactions that will only be exclusive to my Patreon. I have a Patreon there, so if you want to get on that, please join PDG Nation. There are 3 tiers. All affordable, depending on your style and how much you want to support the channel to grow. Let's get 20,000 by the end of summer, guys. We can do it. With your help, I can do it. All right, because guys, Jamaican YouTuber, I am outie.